Hey guys, Dirty Joe coming back at you. It's been a while, 2 weeks. Bunch of mail days, a couple SPA breaks that I had, but um, that's pretty much it. Got a bunch of stuff. So without further ado, I got a couple redemptions from Panini, a Greg Little certified, nice one, and another Greg Little certified. No music today. I know. Couple eBay wins, a nice Earl Campbell patch auto. It's numbered out of 90. A Buster Screen auto. No, you don't. I think it's his first one of the year. A Greg Little Precision silver auto at 25. Got that for a steal. Some signature threads. A Kendall Hunter. A Colin Kaepernick patch autograph out of Plates and Patches, multi-break, multi-color. Another one to add to my platinum set, a 2010 Sam Bradford Jimmy Clausen dual autograph. Another signature threads, Jernell Jernigan. Stop, guys. Another signature threads, Greg Salas. A patch auto, Greg Little. Another signature threads, Greg Little. And a Blaine Gabbert signature threads. Those are all eBay pickups or trades. So not pretty nice. Now my SP Authentic breaks. Let's see here. Got a Colin McCarthy auto. A super nice Charles White Future Watch, number out of 35. A Anthony Allen autograph, base autograph. A Prince Amukamara. Autograph. On to some of the nicer stuff. A Vincent Brown SPX auto. A Mikel Lashore SPX auto. A Kyle Rudolph signature thread auto. A Terrence Tolliver two-color patch auto. And a Visick. A pretty nice Vincent Brown rookie auto patch. Pretty sick patch. And then a Randall Cobb SP Authentic redemption. So those are the pickups from the past couple weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed. See what else we got coming out. I don't think I really have a whole lot coming in. Pretty much got everything out of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's Dirty Joe. Wow.